Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best PC cases that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're building a new gaming rig or upgrading your current setup, we'll break down the features, design, and performance of each case to help you make the best choice. Be sure to check out the product links in the description below for more details. So let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5, we have the MUSETEX Y6 ATX PC case. This mid-tower case is a solid option for gamers looking for a sleek design and practical features at an affordable price point. With its 270-degree dual-tempered glass panels, the Y6 provides an excellent view of your internal components, making it a fantastic choice for showcasing high-end builds. The black matte texture gives it a premium look while maintaining an understated, minimalist aesthetic. The MUSETEX Y6 excels in functionality with its spacious interior layout. It supports GPUs up to 400 mm in length and CPU coolers up to 176 mm in height, accommodating most mainstream hardware. Pre-installed with 3 120 mm fans and capable of supporting a 360 mm radiator, this case ensures optimal airflow to keep your components cool during intensive use. The inclusion of magnetic dust filters on the top and bottom is a thoughtful touch, making maintenance easier and protecting your system from debris. While the Y6 offers great value at $67.99, it does have some limitations. The fans, while functional, lack advanced RGB customization options compared to higher-end cases. Additionally, the absence of more USB ports in the I/O panel might be a drawback for some users. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly case with ample cooling and a stylish design, the MUSETEX Y6 is worth considering. At number 4 on our list is the NZXT H5 Flow 2024, a budget-friendly option that punches above its weight in terms of performance. Priced at just $59.99. This compact ATX mid-tower case is designed for high airflow and efficient cooling. It comes with 2 pre-installed 120 mm fans and supports up to a 360 mm radiator in the front and a 240 mm radiator on top, making it ideal for gamers running demanding hardware setups. The H5 Flow's design is clean and functional. The tempered glass side panel offers a clear view of your components, while the cable management system helps you achieve a clutter-free interior. This case is especially suited for those who value simplicity and practicality in their builds. Its white finish adds a modern touch, making it a great match for setups with a bright or minimalistic theme. While the NZXT H5 Flow offers excellent cooling potential and a sleek design, its compact size means it may not accommodate larger GPUs or custom water cooling loops as easily as some of the larger cases on this list. Additionally, with fewer advanced features compared to premium models, it's a better fit for budget-conscious users or entry-level builders. Overall, this case is an excellent choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance system without breaking the bank. Taking the third spot is the MUSETEX K2 ATX PC case, a mid-tower case that comes with 6 pre-installed PWM ARGB fans. This case is perfect for users who want vibrant RGB lighting and excellent cooling right out of the box. The dual tempered glass panels on the side and front allow a full view of your build while showcasing the mesmerizing light effects from the fans. The K2 is packed with features that enhance both its functionality and aesthetics. It supports a wide range of components, including GPUs up to 400 mm in length and a 360 mm liquid cooler. The inclusion of a Type-C port on the I/O panel is a welcome addition, ensuring compatibility with the latest peripherals. With its tool-free panel design, the K2 offers a user-friendly installation experience, making it a great choice for both first-time builders and seasoned enthusiasts. On the downside, while the pre-installed fans are visually stunning, their performance is slightly less powerful compared to premium fans. Also, the case is slightly larger than other mid-tower options, which might be a consideration for users with limited desk space. However, for $74.99, the MUSETEX K2 offers an impressive balance of style, cooling, and value, making it a strong contender for gamers who want a visually striking build. In the runner-up position, we have the Corsair 4000D RS ARGB, a modular mid-tower case that's all about customization and performance. Priced at $104.99, this case features Corsair's frame modular case system, which allows you to swap out components like the motherboard tray or I/O panel to suit your needs. This level of flexibility is unmatched, making the 4000D RS ARGB a future-proof choice for builders who like to tinker. The standout feature of this case is the InfiniRail fan mounting system, which lets you position fans and radiators with incredible precision for optimal airflow. Combined with the 3 pre-installed RS ARGB fans, which offer vibrant lighting and near-silent operation, this case ensures both excellent cooling and a stunning visual impact. A Y-pattern airflow panel on the front is not only aesthetically pleasing, but also highly efficient at directing cool air into the system. While the Corsair 4000D RS ARGB is a fantastic case, its price and advanced features might be overkill for casual builders or those on a tight budget. Additionally, the modular components, while versatile, could be intimidating for less experienced users. That said, if you're looking for a high-end case that combines customization, cooling, and style, the 4000D RS ARGB is hard to beat. And finally, claiming the top spot is the NZXT H9 Flow. This dual-chamber ATX mid-tower case is the epitome of high-end design and performance, priced at $119.97. The H9 Flow is designed for maximum airflow, featuring a perforated top panel and support for up to 360mm radiators. It's the go-to choice for builders who want the ultimate combination of cooling efficiency and aesthetics. One of the standout features of the H9 Flow is its dual-chamber design, which keeps the main components and cables separate for a clean, professional-looking build. The tempered glass panels on the front and side offer a panoramic view of your setup, making it perfect for showcasing premium hardware. The cable management system is top-notch, allowing you to keep things tidy without much effort. While the NZXT H9 Flow is undoubtedly impressive, its higher price tag means it's best suited for enthusiasts who are willing to invest in a premium case. It may not be the most budget-friendly option, but for those who demand the best in terms of design, cooling, and build quality, the H9 Flow stands at the pinnacle of PC cases. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If this video helped you decide on your next PC case, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews. If you have any questions about these products, feel free to leave a comment below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time, happy building!